Oh my gosh, I'm back. Oh my gosh, I'm back. Ow, that hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay. Don't do that. I just wanted to make sure my audio was okay. It seems a little high. Let me see. Let me just do that. Uh, how's that? Is that? Oh, it's a little loud. All right, -4. Let's do -5, -6, -6. Is that good? Um, all right. -6, -6. I'm still a little in the red. I also have some filters. Hopefully this doesn't mess them up. Let me tell you, messing with filters is a pain in the ass. I spent like 2 weeks doing this, fiddling with it. Now I'm kind of just saying screw it. I just want to get something out there. So I start streaming again. Because I mostly only program SkyTemple on stream, which means I haven't done this for 9 months. I haven't programmed SkyTemple, except for a little bit of stuff. Um, alright, how do I test if my audio is working without blowing out my eardrums? I'll just do it on my phone, hold on. Oh, let me see how long it's been since I streamed. Videos. Where's my videos? Your channel. It has been 9 months. Jesus. Well, okay. So in that 9 months, did a lot of stuff. I was moving, and I was kind of productive, not as productive as I should have been. I didn't do anything in SkyTemple because I try to do that all on stream when I'm making this game. Let me show my display. Is it this? What's display? Is it this? Oh, device what? PHL. Yeah, there we go. Alright, and I'm also using my laptop as a second monitor. I have a second monitor, but I don't know where the HDMI cable for it is. So that kind of sucks. And it's kind of big, and I'm on a smallish table. I don't really know how to set up my room. Alright, I don't know how to set up my room to get that big ass thing in here. Oh yeah, I was gonna test. I hope the audio is okay. I don't want to have to redo this. I kind of just want to go for it. Because fuck it. That is my... where's Twitch? Do I have Twitch installed? I also don't know how long I'm gonna be able to stream for today. Because I have friends and they always want to do stuff. No, don't update. What's my name? Danzy. Danzy621. Is it that? Yeah. Alright, I don't wanna have to redo the audio, because that would suck. Alright, my voice is pretty good. It might be low, which kind of sucks, but I remember I tried to... Oh, it's hard to talk when you're hearing yourself. Um, well, I mean, it's red on the audio input, so it's probably fine. Let's try... Let me see the desk a little loud. Like if I go to SkyTemple. Let's make sure. Hold on. Let's make sure. Okay. SkyTemple. Where is SkyTemple? Ah, shit's always getting moved when my resolution changes. I have a wide screen, but I have to change it back to a normal monitor when I'm streaming, so that way everything looks fine. Alright, now we're gonna see about the audio for the game and see how that compares to me. Just click play. Oh wait, oh fuck, I gotta bring it back up. Oh no, it's there. Oh no, it's there. My bad if that happened. Oh my god, I have to get it down to like -30. Whoops, hopefully no one's actually watching the stream. I usually just record these. Oh, let me just not do that. I mostly do this on Twitch just so I can download it and upload it to YouTube. Oh god, I hope not. Oh, that'd have been funny. Alright, test. Okay, that's still pretty low. I gotta like get to this down to -40, jeez. Okay, that sounds good. Hold on. Test. Alright, that's fine. Fuck it. Because I'm not gonna have that on all the time. Also, another shitty thing is there's a bug. I don't know when this happened, I don't know what update this happened, but if we go to like a macro, let's see if I can find something that triggers this. See, if you look in the top left, where the, what do you call that, like, IntelliSense or whatever, it somehow goes in the top left, which normally is whatever, you know, it's a bug. But sometimes for the, what's it called? When you're moving someone and there's a little, oh, what do you call it? When you want someone to move, that gives you like a little pop-up to where you can move a character, and it's very useful. Use it all the time. Well, the only time I used SkyTemple is I was making small memes for social media and whatever. And so that time I would click it and then it would appear in the top left. And then when I click the button, it would like freeze the whole SkyTemple application. And then I would have to go into Task Manager and restart it. Now, I wouldn't have streamed at all if I couldn't figure out how to get around it. And so the only way I found to get around it is just to keep clicking it. So it's in the top left right now. So if I just click it again, it'll go normally. And when that happens, everything seems to be fine. So I just gotta always be mindful to not do that, or else I'm gonna have to restart. Use Task Manager to end it and then restart everything. And then, thankfully, before I was like restarting my computer and seeing if that helps, so no, I don't have to do any of that, thankfully. So yeah, I think that's everything. Anything else I wanted to talk about? What I do over the 9 months? Just, I moved. That was pretty much most of it. And then I was kind of lazy, and then it was the new year, and I was like, well, let me just wait till the new year. And then I was going to start on the new year. Then I kind of waited a couple of weeks, because one, I wanted a new mic, because I was doing the audio. Oh god, I suck at multitasking. I was doing the audio, and I figured my mic was very bad. I don't know what changed. I got a new computer, but I'm pretty sure this is the same computer that I used before. Like, I think I switched before I moved and stopped streaming. Did I? I don't know. Anyway. So, and then when I switched, my audio is very bad. I don't know what caused it. Now I think my audio is pretty decent. But it took me like 2 days of fiddling with everything to get it that way. So what's first? Right, the story. So I have a new story, not a new story. I modified the story a lot. That's something I did over the break, is I did a lot of story stuff. And I found a new way to do, ooh, I want to show that then. Let's talk about the story first. So, I have a lot more, and I edited some of it. And I have all the way up until... Oh, I did want to change something. Alright, well, I don't even need to talk about that part of the story yet. Anyway, so I made some changes, I added some stuff. So I'm gonna have to go back through and add scenes and change some dialogue. I don't know. I have to go through the dialogue again and see what I changed. So, yeah, let's do that. Oh, but first, I want to show you what my new plan was for backgrounds, and I think it's really interesting. Let's pause this. So before, when I did backgrounds, I was using stuff like this, which is fine and whatever, but it kind of looked bad. Like, I am not a pixel artist. Let's open like this. Let's zoom. So I am not a pixel artist. I mean, it looks, to me, it's passable. Like, I could have used this stuff, and it would have been fine for, like, a casino and whatever. And it was okay. And I actually was ready with all of this. Like, this is what I was going to use before. But then I was like, I'm not really a fan of this stuff. Like, it works, but I kind of wanted to do something else. And so, over the 9 months, I found a way to use 3D modeling. Just because, for a couple reasons. One, I could reuse assets. So, like, if I wanted a table, instead of me making a table and like a couch and whatever and just kind of half-assing it, because it doesn't really matter, I could just find a table online and download it and use that. So let me show you now the actual better thing that I'm doing, which I really like. It kind of still looks weird. Like when you see it in game, it's gonna probably trip some people up, but I think it looks a lot more interesting and it's like serviceable. So let's open a 3D model. Maps. So here you can see all the different maps that I have. And to me, this looks way more interesting than like what I had before. And I'm changing the environment. So before the environment was kind of in like a snowy kind of area. I don't know how to describe it. Just like a winter vacation spot. But now I switched it up to kind of more of a lo-fi cyberpunk kind of deal. So let's open this. This is the first one I made. This was kind of my test and getting everything working map. And then beyond that, I made a couple more maps, which I may or may not show. I mean, you can kind of see it there. I'll show Eddie's inside and then. So yeah, so if you see it's 3D model, how does this get into um, how does this get into a PMD map? Because you know PMD is pixelated and whatever, which I will show. But let me show off kind of what the area looks like. So really, all there is to show. So I have a store called Eddie's. Originally, I was gonna have this be the player house, which is what um. Wait, hold on. Let me models. Let me see something real quick. Okay. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, I was originally gonna have this be the player house, but again, I wanted to show off what the player house was. So maps. This was gonna be the player house. Let's wait for this to load. All right. However, when I was doing the story, it was kind of more of an interesting. I kind of wanted my story to be a vacation, even though it's like set in a cyberpunk area. I still wanted it to be like a vacation where you go to a casino and do fun, interesting things while also having some sort of story in the background. So even though this looks all comfy and I still want to use this as like a player home, but I think I'm gonna end up making a hotel where you go to and stay there, and then have this be something else. Um, which I'm a little disappointed about, but I feel like that would be better and more interesting. You went to a hotel and then kind of like did hotel things, and then went to the casino, did casino things, and things like that. So, which may or may not make a lot of sense, but that's kind of like what's going on in my head. And it'll probably make more sense in the coming months when I actually get this story finished, hopefully, in a reasonable amount of time. We can hope. But anyway, how does this get into a pixelated map where they can walk around and stuff? So with that, we go to camera mode, and then with the compositing nodes, if you want to copy this, like I don't know if anyone cares, but you want to see how I do this, here are the nodes if you want to copy, and then there's also YouTube videos on how to do this, but um, so let's click F12, and so this is what it's going to turn into. So as you can see, it turns pixelated, kind of like a normal map would be a game top-down view of whatever, of like going through the area. So, and then that's where I have, then I also have it put into Krita, where I have an example. So here is what it would look like in the game. So here's the character. Ooh, what was that? Oh god. Hold on. Oh, just rotated. Okay. So the red bar is what I think the screen will be, what you will see in game. So just as an example, if I were to move them around, so you'd come from like the left or right, and then you would like go around, see this, maybe go into the um store there. And yeah, so this is my new plan for maps, which I think it's a little harder to make, but I think the end result is better, and it's like more consistent. When I was making maps like um not stuff. PMD art. When I was doing stuff like this, I was kind of fiddling with it, and there wasn't like an exact process I would go through. I kind of just would draw it and then fiddle with it, and then I was kind of bumbling my way through it. But for Blender, what's great about this is I could probably do this on stream because I kind of have like a method I use, not a method, but just a way I go through. Like if I wanted to add an object, I can just, Shift A. Maybe I'm making a, I don't know, whatever, G. Like that thing right there, I would probably like grab a face and select it, and like I would know exactly what I was doing. But if I was drawing, since I'm not exactly an artist, um, I would kind of just bumble my way through it, which is how I do most of my art. But with this, I don't need to bumble my way through it. So this is probably something I could even do on stream, and I plan to. So that'll be whenever I'm finished with most of the story, because I have most of the story. And then, oh, we can see here. So this is the entrance to I'm calling it the Neon Strip. So once you go to the strip with the casino, you'll have places to explore. And so I kind of have the beginnings of that, but not everything. So that's probably when I'm gonna 3D model, but you don't get there for a while in my story. You get there around right here. So you have all these scenes right here. I think when I last left off last month, or 9 months ago, I was here at Luminous Spring, or maybe the Crossroads, I'm not sure. Somewhere around here. So we have all this to go before we even get to the Neon Strip. So once all this is done, that's probably when I'm going to get into 3D modeling and making more maps. And hopefully the maps work. I'm pretty sure the maps work. Let me see. Let's close this stuff. No. So I think... So I have a test. Do I have a test? I think I called it T. Is it T? Test. Yep, so here you can see even it looks kind of different because I changed the perspective for various reasons. Even though it could be kind of cool to have it using this perspective. But yeah, as you can see, it looks like it works. I haven't actually programmed anything into it. So I'm not actually sure if it works. Hopefully, I would have to change my entire plan. Well, not my entire plan. I'd have to figure out how that would work. I'd have to maybe make it more pixelated. If this ended up not working for whatever reason, if there's like a bug. Um, although it does kind of, hold on, see. Um, hold on, I'm trying to think. This looks like an earlier version. I'm not sure. Maybe it's in the backgrounds. Hold on. Is it a map background? Others? Oh, it is Z-test. There we go. Yeah, so if you see this, see how there are two layers? What I did to make it more, um, what do you call it? Uh, to fit more pixels in here, so that way it didn't look ugly, is I changed it in two layers, and I'm not sure what that actually does. So we're gonna hope that works. Oh yeah, so if I click it, you can see that one layer is half of the map, and the other layer is the other half. And I think that's fine. I really hope that's fine. So whenever I do these maps, I'm gonna have to like do two collisions and whatever. So yeah. And I did this so I can fit more pixels so I can look better. Um, but I actually haven't like programmed. I haven't stuck a character in there and made sure it runs. And I'm not going to because we can worry about that later. So hopefully that just works. So anyway, let's actually start something. Hopefully that was a good explanation of everything I've been doing. Was I doing anything else? Just the story, the maps. That was my adventures into 3D. Um, yeah, I think that's it. So that was over 9 months. Very lazy over those 9 months, but I wasn't completely useless, thank God. So yeah, anyway, let's start. I have it open, okay. So what's first? I have a new starting point. Oh yeah, this was a meme. Hold on, let me delete this. Should I delete it? Yeah, let's delete it. Ooh. So it starts here. This is H. So hold on, I have a... So I'm adding nightmares for a reason, which you will figure out later. when I get to that part of the story. Huh. Okay, so for this first scene, I'm gonna have to go and find where the intro scene is, and then do all the dialogue. And I have to look up the orange filter. Hmm. What would be the best way? I guess that means, let's go to YouTube. Where is a scene where you have like a flashback? I guess that's like anywhere. Um, like I know when the player has a flashback about, or flash forward about, Azurill getting stolen. Where would that be? That's in the town. Probably don't need that. So in the town where that'd be like T. Let's do it here. T01. This. Because I think I'm just gonna steal. Normally I would use my own town because I have like T left, T right. I have all that, but I'm just gonna steal it because I'm just reusing a cutscene. Oh, but it's not even gonna be here. I'm just using this to find the orange filter. Oh yeah, so is it this? No, it's the same. Is it this? Hold on. Where? Okay, right here. MO3A0401 in TO1. TO1, PO1A, MO4. What? Wait, what was it? MO3 AO401. AO401. Uh, okay, it was loading. All right, so happiness. That's great. They bump. Where did they bump? Ooh, I'm gonna need this. Hold on, I actually need to stick this somewhere. Ooh, this is because I'm gonna have dimensional screams happen during the neon strip. So yeah, so just this. So where would I put this? Also, something else I was gonna do was change these all to markdown files. So I think before I had this README file, not a README file. Where is it? No, it's a markdown. Markdown? No. Where's the? Where's my thing? Notes. Where is it? Is it? It is README. Okay. I'm dumb. I don't know why I didn't think it was README. So here I had like a list of all these things, and you can click on it, and then it gives you tips or whatever. I want to change this all to markdown files and make it look prettier. So I have an example right here. So that way I can like copy and then I'm like, okay, widths only containing cool, and it looks better. And then oh yeah, and the main reason I was doing this, I started off trying to do this with what is it, Chat GPT. I was gonna try and have him write it, but it ended up not really working because he does the whole thing in Markdown. Like he talks using Markdown. So trying to get Markdown from Markdown, it was causing a lot of issues. So unfortunately I could not have AI help me write this, but I did still want to make it Markdown because it looks better. Don't know when I feel like doing that. Something I could possibly do at some point, whenever. Maybe I should just put it in animations. Yeah, let's like stick it, I don't know, here. So this can be like dimensional screen. Cool. So now I have the dimensional screen. Oh. Well, shit, he has the... Ah, fuck. So is it a dungeon? Maybe I can get lucky and just find the first dungeon. So it's probably not this one. Second dungeon, what's that? It's probably the third dungeon. Yeah, okay, so it's probably not that though. It's that, okay. But there isn't any players. Well, maybe it's this. You would think, is it this? No, I think that's the boss fight. What's this? I'm just gonna assume it's this. MO3 blah blah blah. 0801. Oh, from dungeon, like the third one. Oh no, it's not that one. It's this one. Acting this one. That. Okay, it is. Wait. You. No, I think this is the normal. That's not it. What's this? Fuck. I need the flashback. Wasn't there a flashback here? And then that's the normal dungeon. Well, shit. Let's go to the beach. There's probably something on the beach where partner has a flashback. And then, oh, bitch. Is that places or is that in town? Town. Bitch. That's nothing, nothing. T. It's probably not even in the town. It's probably a place somewhere. Ah, bitch. I think it's one of the first places. No. Oh, getting closer. Ah, fuck. Damn it. Where's the beach? Ugh. I just want the orange Instagram filter. Um, Hold on, what scene is this? This is... Let me see. I wish to see the name of the file. I thought this lets you see the name. I could have swore if you hovered over it, it would show you the name of the file. But I guess not. No, I'm pretty sure there must be a bug or something. Well, fuck. Maybe if I switch. Let's see. May I? I guess not. Is it here? No, I got rid of it. A0401? I don't know which one it is. It's like town. G. That's the guild. I need like town. T. Oh, it's MO3A04. MO3. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's this. It is. Cool. Okay. So my next idea to find it is just to take that cutscene, go to Union All, Control F, V. Okay, here. C00. SO4, PO1. What? Because it goes from 0401 to 0403, right? Oh, so it does all of this. So maybe it's this? So what's that? C00. What's this? Oh, what is all this? Oh yeah, so here's the two scenes. Okay, so this is SO4 PO1. What is SO4 PO1A? SO4 PO1A. What was the C00A0701? All right, that helps. Sure, we're just gonna pretend that that doesn't exist. What's MO3? So this is what I want, but CO3P41A. DO3 P4 DO3. Yeah, so how does it do the yellow filter? Screen, is it this? So like as a test, let's try stick this over here. I don't need that or that, I don't think. I have union all for that. And so let's do this. So I need start. What did I do? Oh, it just crashed. That's nice. Fantastic. We're off to a great start. I didn't even type anything. And it's like, nope, I'm done. All right. So hopefully it was, hold on, do I have, yep, so hopefully that's exactly what it is, because or else I'm gonna have to find everything again. Okay, common, no, macro, union all. Cool, let's save that. Let's do start, even though it's not the start anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the intro. That's great. Um, so let's see. Let's see if that is what it is. So let's test. What did I do before? It is no sub 2. Yeah, it's just sub 2. Okay, and then I go this way. Put intro here, yeah, yeah. Hacking it. It is that. Okay. Perfect. So let's add this. Where would I put this? This is kind of just a list of everything. Um, Animation, background, camera. Would it be in camera? Like, it could be a camera thing. It is a cam. Yeah, let's put it in the camera. I'm not going to remember this stuff, though. I kind of need a better way to do all this. I guess it's fine. I should think about, like, setting up a Wikipedia page or something. Or doing something better to where I can find all this. Because, like, imagine a year later I'm coming back and I'm like, wait, how do I do the camera thing? Oh, let me actually put description. Yellow, orange, dream, flashback, whatever. Filter. All right, so that's that. I will be right back. I have to use the bathroom. Let's play some music. I'll just do this. Listen to the intro. All right, I will be back in a bit. Alright, I'm back. So this works. I'm gonna have to move that somewhere. I should make like its own file. Or maybe put it at like the beginning. We'll worry about it another time. Let's do the scene first. Let's put this somewhere so I don't lose it. I think I'm actually gonna make a new level with it. Maybe. Should I? I don't know. Or should I just reuse it? No, I should make, because I have all new stuff. I want to do a new thing. Let's try and remember how I do new maps. Although I think I have a map for that already. Hold on, what would be the T-Beach? So it'd be an acting scene. So I need an acting scene. Add an acting scene. What do I call it here? Should I call it like N1 Beach? And I shouldn't add a number, because what if I had another one? N Beach. For Nightmare. So what do we need for cutscene? We need a camera. I actually remembered that from when I was making memes. Memes. I'm such a funny guy. Right there. Ah, shit, but I should probably have them in the exact location. No, let's not be lazy. I'm trying to be lazy, but let's... It doesn't have to be exactly the same. I mean, it's a dream. Not everything has to be the same. So we need the player. I think he's like right, looking right. And partner. Looking left. I need attendant one this time. I think there was one cutscene where I used the player partner, and that caused the player to not show up, and that was kind of annoying, and I only figured it out afterwards. So that was interesting. I think that's it. Honestly, that's fine. It's because it's just going to be them talking anyway. Save it. Go back here. N Beach. T Beach. Save it. Dun, 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 dun. N Beach. Def Zero. And then how do cutscenes go? I could just go find the normal one because I need the dialogue anyway. Oh, but where's the beach? I think it's a dungeon, actually. It is a dungeon, okay. It's an acting... It's... So I don't know if this story is very descriptive. What I'm talking about is when, after he gets his relic fragment stolen, he asks for help, and then I'm gonna play all the alt dialogue, and he's gonna be like, "What? Did I really say that?" Um, so yeah, it's after he gets it stolen, so it'd probably be like, not that. I mean, it's probably all in here, huh? MO1, AO1, O3. In the first dungeon. So D... This one, this one. Maybe a different one, B? Nope. This one. Oh, that's if they fail. So I want one before. Here it is, okay. Alright, here it is. So... I should probably watch this cutscene, huh? Let's see where I should start it, because I didn't really give myself many notes trying to do this. Let's do scene select. DO1. DO1. Good thing it's right there. B. $208. Oh, and I'm gonna have to... This is gonna be a while. Oh, something you can see? Hold on, I should probably show this, because this is something else I did when I was messing around with the... So you see how I have my characters... Well, I guess now you know this is my characters. Instead of the normal Charmander, Bulbasaur. So how you change that is you go to lists, actors, not that, starters? Yeah, here we go, default starters, and you can change what the default starters are. So yeah, that's interesting. You can use whatever you want. So I like my Shinx and Charmander. That's what I started with. So yeah, that's how I did that. I don't know, sometimes when you click things, it just acts like you need to save it, but oh well. Save it, done. Let's go back. So yeah, now I have my starters. Alright. A. A is your name? I should probably, because I want them to be gone, just to make my life easier. Although I may have to, just to give context. Because it'd be a little weird just starting from here. Like, I could start from here. Right, and sad face. I should probably, now I kind of want to just use this cutscene and just comment everything out in the beginning and just start from there. Hmm. And this is why I write the story beforehand, so I don't sit here thinking for 9 hours. What should I do? What should I do? Should I just start there and be lazy? Well, that's probably not a good intro to your hack. Just start off with, like, people going, what the hell, what's this? This is where gets his relic fragment stolen? I don't know. How do they treat... This is M01A0208, right? M01, not that. 11B. No, that's where... They probably have them hidden. And the shitty thing is right now you can't delete maps, so if I wanted to be lazy, which I really do, that would make that kind of awkward. What should I do? Alright, I think I'm just going to be lazy for now, and then after the stream, or whenever I feel like it, I'm going to go back and see what I should do to improve that scene, to make it not be confusing. Because when you first start the hack, it's going to be like, you're not going to know why it's starting there. Except for the orange filter, so you'll be like, is this flashback? So I'm going to have to add something earlier. Whether that be I just add the coughing and Zubat and just do that cutscene anyway. Although even if I wasn't lazy and felt like doing that, I kind of don't want to do that anyway. I might just fade through a couple of the scenes. Anyway, I'll think about it. Let's start from here. So it starts here. So let's just take this. Give me all of it. That's what she said. Give me it. Come on. Go faster. I think it's to there. Alright. Let me fix this. I need to not make it a switch. Shift tab. Oh, I guess that is the correct. Do you need a default? On this needs to be shift tab, shift tab. I wish there was like collapse buttons. Well, I don't really know how the tabbing is working. Let's remove yes. I don't need that. I don't need no either. Wait, does it start off as yes and no, or is it just... I thought it was yes, no, or what do I do? Yes, no. Oh, wait. No, because look, I gotta get it back. Okay, can you help me? There's yes, no. Oh, okay, so I just need... First, what should I do? Just take that, and then delete everything else. Right. Here, what should I do? Hold on. I'll just take this. I don't know, here, whatever. We'll see. Now delete all this bullshit. I could just probably take the dialogue, just go from there. But, whatever. Alright. Actually, I think that's exactly what I'm doing. Hold on, let me... Here is talking... First talking. Dialogue. Give me this. I'm gonna add this one. Bottom R. So he's bottom R, so I think I'll make the player bottom L. Yeah, cause, yeah. So, message top. So, the partner... Oh yeah, and I'm changing this. So he has face now. Face. Okay, no. Face. Now he says, what should I do? And then the player says, or the partner says, just gonna take this, fuck it. Just give me this. Oh, actor, hold on, actor, player. Actor, player, there we go. Oh, he's not gonna be teary-eyed. Base, determined, there we go. Player's gonna be sad, I think. Face, sad. Determined again. And then gonna do face pain. And I'll do face. Teary-eyed. Try and make it over dramatic. Because it's supposed to be a nightmare. Attendant. Oh no, he talks here. Alright. This. Okay. Need all that. Oh wait, I need. Oh fuck. I need this. That. I. Okay. I need. Hold on. I'm confused. You can't just. Oh, okay. This isn't even anything. Hold on. I need this to this. Okay. That. There we go. Bitch. Alright. And now the tabbing is fucked up because of course it is. Shift tab tab. There we go. Okay. Hold on, let me make sure I remove all set actors. Yeah, no set actors. I need determined. Oh, hold on. That's R. I need L. Also, one thing I need to do, and I need to remember this, is I need... So, one thing, I don't know if I ever talked about it, but in my last previous streams, I would always just set the face and kind of go from face to face. And one thing I learned is you really need to have closes after every single one, which is really annoying, but it makes it so because sometimes it will jump from face to face and it'll kind of glitch out. And I know I kind of just left it there because it wasn't that big of a deal. But all you really have to do to fix that is just call this, so it's just a close after every single time. That is something that I should certainly do. Oh yeah, like right here. I should really make sure to do that. Oh yeah, now I was doing bottom. I'm gonna sneeze. Ooh, did I mute myself in time? I hope I did. Ooh, alright. Okay. One thing I'm worried about, hopefully my voice sounds good. Because I was just thinking about how sometimes I have an audio filter which cuts off automatically if the sound is too low, and that's kind of just to help filter out noises. Hopefully my voice didn't cut out anytime at all during the stream. I'll go back through it and check, because I need to check anyway, just to make sure everything's good, but anyway, that's future me's problem. Let's... Right, set face. Player, oh yeah, bottom L, hold on. Bottom L, oh, what did I do? Bottom L, bottom R, bottom L, attendant, attendant. Please help me. Oh, do not set actor, bottom R. It's gonna make it determined, fuck it. Determined. But he says, please help, please. Here, I'm just gonna just give myself some room so I don't have to scroll. Right, but I have no memory. That is next. Player. Oh yeah, before I forget, I'm kind of jumping around with this. So they are next to the rocks. Let me save this in case it crashes. Aw, crap, I can't. Alright, let's finish this first, because I want to be able to save it. But I have no memory. Did I add the space? Okay, I did the space, okay. Just do sad face, sad, yep. Okay, that's shorter. Why is it doing this? Did this always do this? Or it kind of fucked up the tabbing? I have to like shift tab a lot. Oh, maybe it's because I'm copying and pasting. You can still help, please. Then he is sad again. Erg, human ghosts, doesn't matter. Okay, do not set actor, do face angry. Alright, and then... that, I'm gonna add some dots. Dot, 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 dot. Do I have a method for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8? Sure, I'll just do 9. And then... do sad. And then okay. And then I'll fade out from there, cause fuck it. How do I fade out? That is the question. Here we go. Wait. BGM. Just do this. Delete what I don't need. 860. Fade out, fade out. Don't need that. I don't think I need hold either. I should also start the background music. BGM, fade in. What's 76? Let's just do that. Does that seem good? BGM, background music. I don't need this. I don't need this either. That's back too, so I don't need... Right. Hopefully that works. I think it is time to test. Let's see. 131. It is not time to test because I need to move. 131. Oh. Okay, so I'm missing a... Okay. Okay, so there... Let's see where Shinx is. I'll just say no. Okay, now I can see where he is. And Beach. He is actually a little bit... I got kind of close. He is almost touching the rock. A little bit lower. Doesn't need to be exact, let's just... That seems good. Save it. Let's test. Oh wait, I need this. Almost forgot. Ooh, I wonder how you get rid of it. Hopefully I don't need to get rid of it. I also didn't fade in the camera, which I feel like is kind of important to be able to see stuff. Fade in, wait. Cool. Fade in, wait. Oh, I also need to make I think they're both... Hold on, can I load? Okay, so they're both turning that way, because I kind of copy and pasted it, so I need to make sure they're... So they're both bottom left. Down left. Down left. Okay. Cool. Let's see if that works. I should also keep two. So let's keep the second save and then restart. New game. Let's just save here. No. Two. All right. Oh. Yeah, there we go. This is pretty nice. It's going well. Oh, wait. I want... Doesn't matter if you can't help. Okay, no set actor. Set. Ooh, that... that is not... That is the wrong... Hold on. That is the wrong person. I need attendant one. Okay, a little wonky. Let's try it again. Load one. Scene select. No, that is not. Load one. No. Sub two. Oh, but I have no... Hold on. Brought the clothes. Saw how that did you see how that bugged out? That is what I am trying to prevent. Oh, I didn't copy bitch. Hold on. But I have no memory. It doesn't matter if you have no memory. But I'm sure I was human. Oops. Also, I need to close. Should probably wait as well. Again. Alright, attempt number two. Or number whatever it is. Alright, let's see. Let's save it at like 3. Alright, dot dot dot. I feel like it's a little much to have him teary-eyed there. Just make him sad. Oh. What? Oh, I didn't add it right here. Okay. I'll do pain for that, but I'm sure I was human. Ooh. I'm gonna do actually face sad and then face pain. Also, didn't. There we go. Alright. I may want to rethink that scene. Not rethink it, but like add something a little bit before and then add something maybe a little bit after. But I'll think about that another time. Sorry, one sec. Alright. Okay. Alright, that was decent. I'll try and improve that scene and then I'll either next stream or, whenever I get to it, I'll worry about it. Alright, so that's that. I think that came out decently. Oh, let me move all this stuff there. I like how I call this start, but it is not start. So let's move that over on the beach. Put that right like here. So that is now the start. Why is it saying it needs save? It's already saved. Oh, maybe it's loading. Just wait patiently. Maybe. Hopefully. Come on, you can do it. I believe. Um. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is, so you know how I was talking about when it would bug out and you would click things? Like when you wanted the actor to move, and then it would bug out and I would have to reset it using the task manager. Well, this is exactly what would happen. is it would freeze, and then like I can't. It would be out of focus, which I don't know what. I don't know why this program does it, where it stays out of focus. And then you kind of have to get back in focus. But yeah. So that's unfortunate. Probably. I don't know. Let's just end it, I guess. I don't know what changed with SkyTemple, but that kind of sucks. All right. Macros, Union, End Beach. I also need start. Okay, it did save. That's nice. All right, now for start. What do I have? Story. Nightmare 1 done. Boom. Good morning. So, okay. So he wakes up. Hold on, let me see how this looks. See what I need to change. I don't need this anymore. Oh, I should also, hold on, let me play both scenes at the same time, because I may need to figure out how to get rid of the orange screen. So let's try that out right now. I think it was load 1. Yep, alright. No, scene 2. Ooh, alright. Ah, fuck. How do I undo that? Hmm. Hold on, I'll be right back. Um, I guess enjoy this, even though I kind of want to change this, but whatever. Enjoy that for a sec. Be right back. Alright. How am I going to remove this? I don't even remember what scene it was. Man. What scene was it? Um, what did I use? What what did I even use? Did I use the dungeon scene? I don't think so. I thought I swapped to something else and I kind of guessed. What did I use? No, I did use the dungeon scene because I went to Union Hall and I searched. Ah, oh, bitch. I searched because I saw that C00 whatever. What was it? DO3P. Then he's like, oh, but that's not it. P11. No. Oh no, I went to the town and I went that direction because you go to the town. It was PTO1, I'm pretty sure. TO1, where the hell, there we go. TO1, PO1, acting. It was like 401. Hey, what's that? That was the first, it was, and then, yeah. Oh wait, I only need one because I just need to go to Union Hall. MO3, AO401. Yeah, then you go MO3. Yeah, in DO3P41A. MO3DO8. Wait. You know. Is there Def 1? Oh no, I'm just doing that. It's right here. Hold on. Is this how I did it before? You see how there's a 1 right here? Because I did this and there's like jack shit right there. There's MO3DO8. Oh no, it's this. Okay, flush out. Okay, so I'm guessing this is to reset. Let's test it real quick. I'm gonna write it down because I'm like 75% sure that that's what it is. Camera back to normal. Go back. It's end beach. I'm gonna do it at the end when it fades out. Fade out. Just do it like right here. Save it. Say. This is annoying. I wonder if it's just with this computer. Because I tried going back to like an earlier version of SkyTemple, but that didn't seem to work. But I also didn't go very far back. I kind of just did like the past couple versions, and it all did this. So I'm not sure. On one hand, I want this bug to go away. On the other hand, I kind of want all the new stuff that it has. But maybe I should go to the Discord and bitch about it. Not bitch, just, hey, is there a fix for this? Maybe there's an explanation, something to do. Cause fuck me, this sucks. Alright. I think I'm just gonna fix this bug and then stop streaming. I may stream again today. We'll see. This is just to dip my toes in it again since I haven't done it in 9 months. So let's undo this. Maybe I'll also mess around and see if I can get that bug to go away. Also, one thing I forgot to check was my stream quality. Seems to be good. I'm at 3000 kbs. The stream did not drop once, thank God. Because I know I had that issue in my old house. Although I'm on Spectrum now, and I heard they sucked. But I mean, it didn't drop. I'm at an hour and 50 minutes. Ah, what? Nightmare End Beach. Okay, I did save. So let's just test. I'm gonna test and then I'm probably gonna hop off. Maybe later I'll get back on. We'll see. Definitely tomorrow. I'll be back on. Oh man, I have to remember how to upload videos again to YouTube. Play. What did I do with Union All? Oh well, whatever. Let's just reset. Also, I was gonna change my icon. So for my icon for YouTube for the YouTube videos, the thumbnail is what it's called. Um, and also for my icon channel, I was using this duck that I drew for some reason. I don't know. Now that I think about it now, it feels dumb. I don't know why I'm using a duck for all my stuff. But I did enjoy having the duck on my little VTuber model thing. Um, But I'm thinking of removing the duck on everything. Because I don't know why I have that duck. I feel like it's dumb. I felt like it was a good idea before, but now I'm kind of like, eh. Why does that even thing exist? Save. Okay. Let us see if this removes the orange filter. Fuck. Um. Oh no, I have to find it again. Bitch. Union. You think I'd remember what it was, but it's just a bunch of letters and numbers. Um. I know it's like 0401, but I don't remember. It's D. Oh, I can just go directly to it. It was D41 812. There we go. That looks like. So which is it? Well, it's default, right? So it goes here. No, because it did case 1, right? So it does flush out, fades in, it jumps to label 2, right? You keep it being difficult, blah blah blah, message closed. Should be 1, right? It whites out, it jumps to label 5, and then it flushes in. Yeah, so it should be. Maybe I'll just, because it's in beach, did it? It's right here, right? Yeah. Let's just put it at start. Maybe before it fades in. Let's just put it here. Alright, load 1. No. Sub 2. Oh, whoops. Okay. Blast past this. There we go. Okay, I don't know why I wasn't allowed to have it here, but it doesn't matter. It can be whatever. Save this. Macro hack in it not found. What do you mean? How did it save before? Oh, I know why it didn't work. I can comment this out. It didn't work because I didn't have this, but it crashed, so it still saved the file. That's right. So that's why it didn't work. It wasn't because that line of code didn't work. It's because it didn't actually save even though it saved. It was still broken. So no. Sub 2. Ooh, the music's having fun. Oh yeah, because there's the intro too. Okay, there we go. Wait, hey. Oh, it's because I got rid of it. Oh, fuck. Wait, where's... Just go get it here. Alright, one more time. Isn't programming fun? No. Sub 2. Oh. There you go. Whee! What the hell? Oh my god, do you see the problem? Do you see why I'm an idiot? Do you see why? If you don't see why, let me tell you. It's because this is the start, not the end beach. One more time. Okay. It's gonna work. It's gonna work this time. There we go. Okay, I did it. Give me a reward for not being an idiot. Okay. I'm gonna get off. Might get back on today. Later today. We'll see. I'm gonna guess probably not, but definitely tomorrow. But we'll see if I actually do it tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'll do it, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, oh man, it's almost at 2 hours. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, what did I say before? Oh my god, that's something else I felt was like, that was dumb. Because I would always say something, but I already forgot what it was at the end of the stream just to say something. But I kind of want to stop doing that. I said something about rain, but that also feels dumb, so. Um, why did I say that? I think it was just like, so I could be like, alright, done, boom, button, off. Let's be done with this. But why do I even need an end thing? I can just like end it right now. Like if I just keep talking, yeah,